welcome class 9. So we are about at the end of this chapter cell. Today I will discuss about centrosome, the cell organelle which help in cell division in animal cells. Centrosomes are non-membrane bound cell organelle present in all the animal cells but absent in plant cells. This is a cell organelle which is not found in plant cells. Okay, in the structure we can see near to the nucleus in an animal cell, near to the nucleus there are two cylindrical structures at a right angle with each other are present. Okay, these two together are called centrosomes. Okay, so they remain, each are known as centriole. So both the centrioles at a right angle to each other remain concentrated in an area near to the nucleus. These are made up of structural material known as microtubules. Centrioles are made up of microtubules. During cell division, in case of animal cell, these two moves to both ends of the cell and form the spindle, which is called spindle or spindle fibers, and help in division of the cell. Although it is not there in your syllabus, आपके class 9 के syllabus में ये नहीं है, but still हम लोग देखेंगे कि किस तरह से दो सेंट्रियोल सेल के दो तरफ जाके स्पिंडल फाइबर फॉर्मेशन करता है और किस तरह से क्रोमोसोम, जो ऑलरेडी हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं, हाउ द क्रोमोसोम्स अरेंज देमसेल्फ इन द स्पिंडल फाइबर, देखते हैं. Once the cells start dividing, then slowly nuclear membrane, that is nuclear envelope, nucleolus, everything disappear. Only the chromatin material arrange themselves into distinct chromosomes. In case of human being, it is 46, that is 23 pairs of chromosomes, right? So centrosome play a very important role in that. Two centrioles at two ends of the cell help in formation of the thread-like structures. These threads are called spindle fibers. And nucleus disappear. Only the chromosomes remain at the equatorial region of this spindle. So chromosomes arrange themselves in pairs, okay, in this region over the spindle fiber. Okay. These are chromosomes. So now we will write function of centrosome. Centrosome help in cell division in animal cell. During cell division, centrioles migrate to the poles of the cell and involved in formation of the spindle. You can write like this, that function help in spindle formation during cell division in animal cells. Okay. Next function in plant cell, because these are absent. So it involves formation of polar cap. Okay. So in plant cell it has no function. Basically it function in animal cell. Two centrioles move to both the ends of the cell, and in plant cell there is formation of a structure called polar cap which help in formation of the division of the cell. ठीक है. So with the centriosome we are done with this chapter cell. Lastly, you have to make 2 columns about point of difference of plant cell and animal cell. So that is your homework. Write down your homework. Okay. Make 2 columns and write points of difference between plant cell and animal cell. Okay. Differences. So class 9 we are done with chapter cell. Please read thoroughly. Very soon you will get some assignments, home assignments from this chapter. But also you try to write down question answers of NCERT science. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next class.